Out here at Sunderland Yard, we have over 5,000 tons of leaves, and we turn them into compost.
We are taking the natural leaves that fall every single year that end up on the ground. The city ends up collecting all that in the fall, and we bring it out here to go through its natural process of decay, basically.
The compost is actually cooking, and it's making heat, and that's the process that breaks the compost down, and it can get up to 150, 160 degrees inside the pile when it's cooking. The cooking process, there's little things we call bugs. It's the microorganisms in there, and they're eating and breaking down the leaves, and it creates heat, and that's what the steam is.
Once it reaches the right temperature and it's been there long enough, we end up turning it. We have a large compost turner. We go through and it mixes it up, fluffs it up, because sometimes you have parts of the pile that are cooking and other parts of the pile that aren't cooking, because whether there's too much pressure or there's not enough oxygen, it starts to kill off the bugs, as we call them. The free compost day started around Earth Day 2018. It's for sale all year long, but we usually end up with a surplus, and to give back to the community, you come, you bring in any truck or trailer or anything that you have, we will fill it.
We have seen everything out here. We've seen a boat we loaded with compost. We had a moped with a bucket on the back of it one year.
We've done this will be the 4th year. We see over 4,000 vehicles in a 9-day period. A lot of those are vehicles that come in multiple times, but still, that is a huge amount of traffic through our yard, and we've done it safely all those years without any incidents.
Take it slow. Look around, be aware of your surroundings, be aware of folks and equipment, follow the signs, and ask questions if you need help. We really value green, sustainable services, and we are making a waste product into something beneficial for the city of Portland.